Good evening. We now end another day of broadcasting activity. This is TZYM 1539 of the Radio Filipino Media Group, a commercial radio station owned and operated by Philippine Radio Corporation, as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with license number BSD-0255-2023, valid until December 31, 2026. TZYM 1539 Radio Filipino Studios and Transmitter are located at Barangay Pag-asa, San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. TZYM 1539 Radio Filipino operates daily on 1539 kilohertz in the AM band with a power of 5,000 watts. This station is under the supervision of RPMG Network Engineering, headed by Engineer Clessy David Vigalapon, Electronics Engineer with license number 0073809. Its operation and maintenance are carried out by the following first-class radio telephone operators duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Alexander D. Villanueva, 96-1PIV-17342. This is TZYM 1539 Radio Filipino, a proud member of the KBP, Kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas, and a proud member of RPMG, Radio Filipino Media Group, ang radyo ng Pilipino. TZYM 1539 Radio Filipino is now signing off.
Bayang magiliw.